So join me. I'm at the bus station in Playa de las Américas, right behind the hotel Ponzarosa here, and just beyond is a taxi rank. So if you get the bus from the airport, which is either the 40 or the 343, you will end up here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to check out all the prices for, because I'm considering getting the bus from here, because my hotel is just 2 minutes backwards, rather than using the shuttle, which takes hours because it drops off at every single hotel. All these bus places, all these places to go: Los Cristianos, Costa Adeje, all different routes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the information desk now, and just check out the prices and the times. And as soon as I've done that, I'll let you know. Super handy, and directly out here there is a taxi rank. So if you have come from the airport to here and you've got loads of bags, you can just whiz in a local taxi, and it's going to be a fraction of the price paying for a taxi from the airport to your hotel here. So there you go, that's the taxi rank. Got more buses going on. So I'm just going to whiz over to the information desk now, ask a relevant question and see what times they are. Okay. There is a map here as well. All the routes, all the times, all the locations. Sure, airport one there. Costa Adeje, Los Cristianos. So you've got to freeze frame that if it's handy for you. Let's get all the prices on. Okay, let's go and ask. Right, so I've asked a question. It's between €2.90 and €3. The lady wasn't quite sure. It's the number 40 bus that takes you from here, and the bus runs every half an hour. How cool is that? Cheap as chips, quite a frequent service. So if you want to get yourself from Las Américas or Costa Adeje or wherever you are, jump on a bus and get yourself to the airport for not a lot of money. Happy days. Okay, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.